Want to do ad hoc analysis without creating or editing a story? Data Analyzer lets you jump straight into exploring your data. You can create a new analysis based on existing connections to live SAP BW or SAP HANA data sources, or based on models created in SAP Analytics Cloud or SAP DataSphere. Start by choosing your data source. If your data source contains prompts, you can set them from the toolbar. Once your data source is selected, you can use the builder to construct a table for your analysis by choosing the account members, measures, and dimensions you want to display. By default, accounts display in the table rows and the category displays in the columns, with a filter automatically applied to show the actuals category. Here, the entire net income account hierarchy is shown, which enables you to drill down through the hierarchy. However, you can clear the selection and browse or search for specific accounts or measures. You can also click to select dimensions, or click and drag to add dimensions to rows or columns. You can adjust the order of dimensions in the builder, or directly in the table output. Options are available to customize how values appear across all rows or columns, such as swapping your axes, suppressing null values, defining the position of parent nodes and totals, and showing or hiding totals or unbooked values. Other settings are also available for how values appear for specific dimensions, such as setting the drill level or hierarchy, applying filters, sorting, and showing the ID or description. You can also adjust the styling options for the table by applying a template, adjusting number formatting, or creating conditional formatting thresholds. In the table, you can expand or collapse members to see the desired data. Adjust the sort order, and freeze elements of the table if you need to scroll through a large number of rows or columns. To view a subset of the data, you can apply additional filters by enabling the filter bar, choosing a dimension, and then selecting or excluding specific members. Tables that you'd like to preserve can be saved as insights. Keep in mind that you won't be prompted to save when you leave Data Analyzer unless you've made changes to an insight that was previously saved. The table can also be exported to Excel, CSV, or PDF. You can access your saved insights from the Data Analyzer launch page, or from the Files area where you can filter by file type. In Stories, you can enable the option to view data from tables and a range of chart types in Data Analyzer for deeper examination by turning on the appropriate setting for an individual widget in the Builder panel. You can also enable Data Analyzer for all supported widgets in the story details. Once the Data Analyzer option is enabled, you can open it in the context menu for the widget. Data Analyzer opens with the same navigation state, filters, thresholds, and variables set in the story. From here, you can adjust the selections to change the scope of the analysis however you want. For more information about using Data Analyzer, check out the links in the description and try it for yourself today.